So, good day everyone. Good day, Sir Noel. So, we have a code here that will iterate a box with X pattern. So, yung pong size niya is naka-base kay user. So, we have an instruction here. Console.write para yung enter na user na box size is katabi ng instruction. So, para maganda tingnan. So, nag-declare tayo ng box size na kanyang predefined size or data type ay int. So, ginamit nating typecasting is parse. So, pwede din naman yan yung console, convert to int kung so, yun lang ginamit ko. So, meron tayong to make the box with X pattern, we need to yung box logic. Yung logic ng box na magi-iterate ng box. So, para maano naman natin yung X, yung merong X, tapos kung makikita nyo, meron siyang hollow part. Sabihin, need natin ng if else dyan. So, yan, as you can see, meron tayo ditong if saka else. So, with so many condition na pinagano lang siya ng logical OR. So, I'll explain it to you why we use logical OR later. So, let's type into this code. So, since ang ating initialization is nagsisimula sa 1, and let's assume ng an internal user is 5. So, isabihin yung box size is equals to 5. So, nakandito. So, yan. 5. So, nag-initialize tayo sa outer loop ng row. Niname natin yung variable na as row is equals to 1. Tapos, ating modifier is increment. So, sabihin increment na yung dalawang plus is incremented by 1. So, meron tayong condition na yung row daw is dapat less than lang or equal sa box size. So, dapat sabihin yan, since increment, sabihin, pag mula 1 hanggang 5, sabihin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since kada matataas, may console.write line. So, yan. So, ito yung row natin. Ito. Kaya siya nasa baba. Kaya pababa yan kasi gawa ng console.write line. Tapos, yung inner loop natin is same lang sila ng logic. Sabihin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang kinaibahan lang ng ating inner loop is nag-act siya as column. Kasi, kaya siya column kasi console.write. Sabihin, yung cursor nila is magkakatabi. Yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. So, let's dive na kung paano ba siya nagwo-work. So, as you can see, yung row natin is naka-declare as, naka-initialize as 1. Na, meron tayong condition. And, na magre-return ng boolean value. And, ito rin yung nagpre-prevent para sa infinite loop, para, and we have also a modifier na nagpre-prevent din na magandang infinite loop. So, yan. So, let's start. So, meron tayong initialization na row is equals to 1. No? So, naka-initialize si row equals 1. Condition. So, row is less than or equal to box size, which is yung 5. As you can see here, 5. So, 1 less than is equals to 5. True, pasok sa condition. Kung nagtataka ba't di nag-increment to, mag-increment lang to kapag natapos na tong mag-function tong inner loop. So yung mga command dito, So, yan. So, let's back. Row is equals 1, condition here. Row is less than or equal to box size, which means yung 1 daw is less than ba siya or equal sa 5. So, true. Once na nag-true, pasok sa inner loop. So, meron tayong inner loop dito, meron tayong isang loop na mayroon ding initialization condition sa modifier. So, meron tayong ditong variable na yung call is naka-initialize sa 1 condition. So, call is less than ba siya or equal sa box size, which is yung 5. which is true. So, same with the outer loop. Mag-ano lang itong modifier na to kapag natapos na yung command niya sa loob. So, yan. So, let's back ulit. Yung 1 daw ba is less than or equal to 5, which is true. Pasok sa if condition. So, hindi mo tayo mag-console that right since meron tayong condition dito. So, condition, if yung daw row is equals to 1, which is also true, or call is equals 1, which is also true kasi yung call is equals din sa 1. Kasi yung call is 1, 1 is equals to 1, edi true. Since as you can see, dito is naka-or lahat. Wala naman kayong end na nakikita diyan. So, sabihin, yung evaluation yan is true na kasi it doesn't matter kung mag-false man yung iba yan kahit sabihin na 5 yung mag-false. Kung pag may nag-isang true, evaluation is true. So, mag-output tayo ng isang star na merong space as you can see. Star tapos isang space. Star isang space. And yan. Star isang space. And since wala namang ibang command na na mag-run pa, edi magpapahin nating modifier which is call incremented by 1. Sabihin, may increment yung current value ng call which is nag-acts as column. Sabihin, incremented by 1. Sabihin, 1 plus 1, edi 2. Task condition, yung bang call is less than or equal sa back size, 2 less than or equal sa back size, which is true. Pasok ulit sa condition. Since since yung row is equals to 1, so lagi namang 1 yan kasi hindi pa tayo nakalabas, hindi true. Since logical or tayo, sabihin true na evaluation nito lahat. So mag-run ulit tong star na may space. Star space. So nakapag-output ulit tayo, modify. So magpa-function ulit ito. Call incremented by 1, which is yung 2, madadagdagan ng isa. So 3. So 3, yung battery bus less than or equals to 5. True. Pasok ulit sa condition. If row is equals to 1, so satisfied na kasi yung row is 1 is equals, yung row is equals 1. Tapos sa condition is 1 is equals to 1, di satisfied na. So since naka-or, true na lahat ng evaluation yan. Kasi may nag-true na. So output ulit tayo ng star na may space. So, papasin ulit yung natin. Magmamodify ulit. Call incremented by 1, 3, which is 3 plus 1, iti 4. Yung 4 less than brush or equals sa 5. So, true. So, pasok ulit tayo sa if condition. So, yung bang row is equals to 1, which is true. Kasi hindi man nagbabago yung value ng 1, yung row natin hanggat di pa tayo nalabas. So, true na evaluation nito lahat. So, output ulit tayo ng star na may space. Tingnan natin ako. So, ito yung, parang ito yung pinaka-cursor natin. Yan yung cursor. So, modify ulit once na napag-output na ulit. So, call, increment yung current value ng call. Yung increment idadagdagan ng 1, yung current value ng call. So, 4 plus 1, di 5. And condition ulit, yung bang column is less than or equal sa back size, which is 5. So, ibig sabihin 5 less than or equal to 5 is true. So, may pasok ulit sa condition. If row is equals to 1, as you can see, may nasatisfy ulit kasi yung row is equals 1 and pinararating to yung daw row is equals to 1, edi true. So, evaluation ng buong ito is true. So, itong code block ang magraran. Console.write star na may space. So, yan. Star na merong star star na merong space. So, yan. So, magmamodify uli. Since nakapag-output tayo, magmamodify uli yung value ng column. So, ito. Call incremented by 1, sabihin 5 plus 1 is 6. So, condition yung bang column is less, yung call is less than or equal to box size. Is less than or equal sa 5. So, false kasi greater than na siya. So, since matatapos na tong loop. Since may command tayo dito, pagkatapos ng loop, magpa-function muna ito bago tayo lumabas. So, console.write. Nasaan yung last cursor natin? Nandito, di ba? Kasi star na may space yung last. Sabihin yung cursor natin is nandito. Yung console.write na walang laman. Sabihin, katabi kasi console.write eh. Since wala na command, babalik tayo sa loop. So, yan. Since natapos na mag-function tong command na to, mag-increment tayo. Increment. I almost forgot. So, row incremented by 1. So, isabihin yung current value ng row is may increment ng 1. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. So, nga pala, kada lalabas pala tayo ng loop, kunwari, ito is nag-false, tapos lalabas na tayo, yung value ng inner loop, kung ano man yung naka-initialize dun sa anong yun, is marireset. Sabihin, kung ano yung kaninang value nito yun, pag nun 1, edi 1 uli, marireset siya. Once na lumabas ulit at tapos papasok. So, back to here. So, yung row is equals to, we have a condition here. Row is less than or equals to box size, which is true. Kasi yung 2 is less than siya sa 5. So, pasok ulit tayo ng inner loop. Naka-initialize ulit siya sa 1 kasi na-reset. So, 1. So, we have a condition here. Yung bang call is less than or equal to box size, which is 1 less than ba siya sa box size or equal, which is true. So, condition ulit. Pasok ulit tayo sa condition. If row is equals 1, which is also false, which is false, or core is equals 1, which is true. So, may nasatisfy tayo. Sa core naman yan, lahat. So, sabihin, magrarun na tong call block na to kasi ang evaluation nito is true. So, console.write star na may space. So, baka nagtataka kayo. So, ba't nga pala nasa baba ulit ito? Kasi meron tayong last cursor na, last command output na console.write line, which is this. Yung walang laman. Sabihin, yung next na cursor is sa baba. So, back to ulit. Since nakapag-output na tayo, magmamodify na ulit yung current value ng column ng call, which is 1 plus 1 may increment by 1. So, 1 plus 1 dito. So, condition, by condition, so, yung bang call is less than or equal sa box size, which is 5, to less than 5, true. Pasok ulit sa condition. Yung bang row is equals 1, false, or call is equals 1, which is also false. Yung bang call is equals to box size, so which is false kasi 2 is equals 5 is not equal, they're not equal. Or row is equals box size, natin yung row, yung current value ng row 2 is equals to 5, which is also false. Or row is equals to call, which is 2 is equals to 2, so which is true. So, since may nagkaroon na tayo, it doesn't matter kung mag-false man tong last condition. So, ang evaluation nito is true. Since sa core tayo, mag-output siya na, itong if block ang magra-run. So, magkaroon tayo, araran niya is console.write, star na may space. So, dito siya. So, since pag-output tayo, mag-increment ulit yung ating call. So, may increment ulit yung current value, which is yung 2. Tapos, 2 plus 1, edi 3. So, pasok ulit tayo sa, initialize. So, naka-initialize siya sa 3. So, condition, yung bang call, which is 3, is less than ba siya sa box size, which is 5. So, true yan, kasi less than pa. So, pasok ulit tayo sa condition. Yung bang row is equals 1. Yung row ba is equals 1, which is false. Yung bang column is equals to 1, which is also false. Yung bang column is equals to box size, which is 5. 3 is equals to 5, false. So, another condition ulit. Or, row is equals box size. Yung bang 2 is equals to 5, which is also false. Yung bang, or, row is equals call, 2 is equals to 3, which is false. Or, row plus call is equals to box size plus 1. So, pinara natin ito is yung kapag yung pinag-plus nung row sa call, which is 2 plus 3 is 5, is equals to box size plus 1, which is 5 plus 1 is 6. Yung bang 5 is equals to 6, which is also false. So since naka-OR tayo, kapag na-false lahat to, isabihin, evaluation nito is false na kasi false lahat. Isabihin, ang mag-run na block is itong else block. Kasi ito yung parang ating pinakang default value. Pinakang default natin. So, mag-run is yung console.write na mayroong dalawang space. So, you can see here. 1, 2. So, mag-run yung else block na mayroong dalawang space. Console.write, dalawang space. So, 1, 2. Dito sa kapag-output tayo, magmamodify uli yung ating current value ng call, which is may increment siya sa 1. May increment ng 1. So, 3 plus 1 is 4. So, naka-initialize ulit siya sa 4. Tapos, condition. Yung bang call is less than sa box size, 4 less than or equal sa box size, which is true. Pasok ulit sa condition. So, if row is equals 1, which is false. Yung bang call is equals 1, which is also false kasi yung call is 4. Call is equals box size. Yung bang 4 is equals to 5. So, no. False. So, yung bang row is equals sa box size. Yung bang 2 less than ba siya sa 5? Equals ba siya sa 5? Which is false. Or, equal ba itong dalawa, yung row sa call? Which is also false. And or, our last condition, row plus call is equals to box size plus 1. So, yung bang to, pag sa yung plus 4 is equals ba siya sa box size plus 1, which is 6. Sabihin, evaluation itong dalawa, 2 plus 4, 6. Tapos 5 plus 1, 6. O sabihin, 6 is equals to 6 is true. So, may nag-true tayo. Sabihin, evaluation nito is true na lahat. So, mag-aaral tong if else, if code, if block pala, if block. So, i-run nito is yung console.write star na mayroong space. So, yan. So, since kapag-output, modify uli yung current value ng call. Madadagdagan ng isa. So, 4 plus 1. Divide. So, condition. Yung bang call is less than or equal sa 5. So, true. Kasi 5 is equal to 5. So, pasok ulit tayo sa condition. Yung bang row is equals 1. False. So, or, yung bang call is equals 1, which is also false. As you can see, the value of call is 5. Or, call is equals box size, which is true. So, meron na satisfy. Since car tayo, true na evaluation, it doesn't matter kung mag-false yung iba. So, magraran tong if block na merong command console.write star na merong space. So, yan. So, isa kapag output, mamamodify ulit yung current value ng ating call. So, may increment, madadagdagan siya ng isa. Sabihin, 5 plus 1, 6. So, condition, yung bang call is less than or equal sa 5 sa box size. 6 less than or equal ba siya sa 5, which is false. So, since nag-false na, tigil na tong loop na to. Itigil na. At ang mag-run-nize yung nasa yung last na command, which is yung console.write line. Sabihin, yung console.write line, dito katabi. Since wala ng command, lalabas ulit tayo ng loop. Since tapos na to, itong mag-function itong nasa loob, mag-modify na yung current value ng ating row. Madadagdagan siya ng 1, which is 3. So, reset ulit. Kasi papasok ulit tayo dyan. So, naka-initialize na yung row equals to 3. Condition, yung bang row which is 3 less than sa box size which is 5, true. Pasok ulit tayo sa inner loop. Na-reset ulit yung value which is 1 ulit. So, call is less than or equal to 5. Yung bang 1 is less than or equal to 5, hindi true. If row is equals 1, so, which is false. Or, yung bang call is equals to 1, which is true. So, satisfy na. Meron na tayo ng true. Sabihin, true na evaluation yung lahat. So, magra-run is yung if block. So, console.write star na mayroong space. Modify. Sa pag-output, modify uli. Modify yung current value ng call. Which is 1 plus 1, 2. Condition uli. 2 is less than or equals to 5. Which is true. So, condition uli. Yung bang row is equals 1, false, or call is equals 1, which is 2 is equals 1, which is also false. Yung bang call is equals to box size, 2 is equals, yung 2, here, equal ba siya sa box size, which is 5, which is also false. Yung row natin, which is 3, and box size is equals to box size, which is 5, is also false. Or, yung bang row is equals to call, yung bang 3 is equals to 2, which is also false. So, we have the last condition here. Yung row plus call, which is 3 plus 2, which is 5, is equals to 5. Sabihin 5 to, itong evaluation itong dalawang to, is equals to 5 plus 1, which is 5 plus 1, 6. So, sabihin yan, 5 is equals to 6, which is also false. Since nag-false lahat, ang mag-run is yung else block na mayroong console.write dalawang space. Ito yung last cursor natin. Tapos dalawang space. 1, 2. Isa pag-output na tayo, mag-modify uli yung value ng call, yung current value. So, call incremented by 1, which is 2 plus 1 is 3. Ayan. So, check the condition ulit. Yung bang row is equals to 1, which is false, or call is equals to 1, 3 is equals to 1, which is also false. Yung bang call is equals to box size, 3 is equals to 5, which is also false. Yung bang row na mayroong current value na 3 is equals ba siya sa 5, which is false. Yung bang row na mayroong current value na 3 and call na mayroong current value na 3 din is equal ba sila, which is true. Since nag-true na, ang evaluation nito ng buong condition is true. Since naka-or, hindi magraran na tong natin, console yung ating command na mayroong laman na star na may space. So ito yung last cursor natin, star tapos space. Since nakapag-output ulit tayo, modify ulit yung value. Mamodify ulit yung current value ng call. Kasi nakapag-output na tayo, which is 3 plus 1 is 4. So, check ulit yung may condition ulit. Check ulit. Yung call, which is 4 less than but equals to box size, which is 5. True. So, pasok ulit tayo sa if condition. Yung bang row is equals to 1, false. Yung bang call is equals to 1, which is also false, or yung bang call is equals to box size, which is also false. Yung bang row is equals to box size, which is 3. Yung current value ng row is 3. Equal ba siya sa 5, which is also false. Yung bang row saka call is equal. Yung bang 3 saka 4. Yung bang 3 or 4 equal. False. And the last condition, or row plus call is equals to box size plus 1. Sabihin, 4 plus 3, which is 7, is equals to 5 plus 1, which is 6. So, which is false. So, since false lahat yan, ang magraran is yung else block, which is yung console.write, dalawang space. So, mag-output yung console.write, dalawang space. 1, 2. So, ating cursor dito. Yan. Sa pag-output tayo, modify ulit yung current value ng call lalagdagan siya ng 1. 55 na. So, na-initialize na natin. Punta ulit tayo sa condition. Yung bang 5 is less than or equal to box size. Sabihin is yung bang 5 is mas bababa or pares lang sila nung box size, which is 5, which is true. So, pasok ulit tayo sa condition. Yung yung bang row is equals 1, false kasi yung row is 3. Yung bang column is equals to 1, which is also false. Yung bang call is equals to box size, which is ang current value ng call is 5 and box size is also 5. So, sabihin is true kasi yung 5 is equals to 5. So, ang evaluation nito, ang evaluation ng kung condition to is true since naka-or yan lahat. So, magraran tong if block natin na merong output na, meron nilalaman na console.write star na may space. So, yan. So, sa pag-output ulit, modify ulit tayo. Call incremented by 1, which is 6. Condition. Yung bang column, yung bang call is less than or equal ba siya sa box size? So, false kasi yung 6 ay hindi na siya less than or equal sa 5. So, end na tong loop na to. Dito na tayo ulit sa console.write. So, dito yung console.write natin. Console.write line pala. And back to outer loop. Since natapos na mag-function yung nasa loob niya, yung mga command. Sabihin, mag-increment ulit yung ating row. May increment yung current value, which is 3. Dagdag ng isa, 4. So condition ulit. Sa condition, yung bang row is less than or equal to box size, which is 5. 4 less than or equals to 5. True. So, pasok ulit tayo dito. Since lumabas tayo ng outer loop, marireset ulit ito into 1. So, yan. So, naka-initial siya sa 1. So, condition, yung bang 1 is less than or equal to box size, which is 5. So, true. Pasok ulit tayo sa condition. Yung bang row is equals to 1, which is false. Or, yung bang call is equals to 1, which is true. So, mag-output tayo. Since naka-OR tayo, since may nag-true na, edi ang evaluation nito is true na rin. Mag-run tong if block na may laman na console.write star na may space. Since ang last natin is console.write line, nasa baba na yung cursor natin. Star na may space. And since sa pag-output na tayo, back to ulit tayo modify ng current value ng call, which is madadagdagan ng 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And condition ulit. Yung band 2, less than ba siya sa 5? So, true. Pasok ulit sa if. Yung bang row is equals 1? False. Or, yung bang call is equals 1? False. Or, call is equals box size, also false. Or, row is equals to box size, which is also false. Yung bang row is equals to call, which is pinararating natin yung bang 4 is equals to 2. Yung current ang value ng row is 4. Current value ng call is 2. Window 4 sa 2 is equal. So, false yun. Or, yung value ng pinag-add ng row plus call, which is 4 plus 2 is 6. And yung pinag-add nung box size plus 1, sabihin 5 plus 1 is 6 is equal daw. Yun daw 6 is, at saka 6 ay equal. Hindi true yun. Since may nag-true tayo, ang evaluation nito is true. So, mag-preprint ulit tayo ng star na may space. Kasi ito magra-run. Yung nasa if block. Star tapos space. And yung ating cursor. So, sa pag-output ulit tayo, modify ulit. So, yung current value ng call is may increment ng 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3. Tapos initialize. Yung 3, sabihin, call is equals 3. Siyempre, D3 nga yan. Is less than or equal to 5. Which is true. Pasok ulit tayo sa if condition. Yung bang row is equals to 1, false. Or call is equals to 1, which is also false. Yung bang call is equals to box size, which is also false kasi yung 3 is not equal to 5. Or row is equals to box size, which is current value ng row natin is 4. Equal ba siya sa 5? No. So, false din. Or, dun tayo sa isang condition. Yung bang row is equals to call. Yarating tayo yung bang 4 is equals to 3. False, since 4 is not equal to 3. Or, row plus call, sabihin 4 plus 3 is 7, is equals to 6, which is also false. So, since nag-false lahat to, yung nasa if natin, ang evaluation yan is false. So, mag-aaral na naman nito is yung else block, yung ating pinaka-default. Ang i-aaral niya is console.write na space, dalawang space. From here, 1, 2, and yung ating cursor. Since napag-output tayo, mamamodify ulit yung current value ng call. So, madadagdagan siya ulit ng 1. So, yan. Anong mali yun? So, sabihin, 1, 2, 3. Ano nga ba yun? 4 ba yun? 4 nga. So, naka-initialize na yung call natin equals to 4. So, yan. Condition ulit. Ibang call is less than or equal to back size, which is 4, less than or equal ba siya sa 5, which is true. So, condition ulit. So, yung bang row is equals to 1, which is false, or yung bang call is equals 1, para pinararating is 4, yung bang 4 is equals sa 1, which is also false. Yung bang call is equals to back size, yung bang 4 is equals to 5, which is also false. Or, yung bang row is equals to back size, yung bang 4 is equals to 5, which is also false. Or, yung bang row sa kakulay equal. Ano ba yung value ng row? 4. Tapos yung value ng call is 4. 4 is equals to 4, which is true. So, since may nag-true na, it doesn't matter kung mag-false yung last condition. So, evaluation natin is true since naka-logical or to lahat. So, mag-run tong if block. Mag-run yung ano natin, console.write star na may space. From here, star na may space. Yan yung ating cursor. So sa pag-output tayo, mamamodify uli yung current value ng call natin. Madadagdagan siya ng 1. So, yung 4, madadagdagan ng 1, di 5. So, naka-initialize yung call natin na ang value is 5. So, naka-initialize siya sa 5, yung call. And condition, ibang call is less than or equal to 5. Sabihin niyan is 5 less than is equal to 5. O, di true. Pasok ulit tayo sa condition. Yung bang row is equals to 1, 4 is equals to 1, false. Yung bang call is equals to 1, false. Or, yung bang call is equals to back size, yung bang 5 is equals to 5, which is true. Since nag-true na, the evaluation nito is true. Nung buong ano to, kasi it doesn't matter kung mag-false yung iba. So, mag-run ulit itong console.write star na may space. Itong nasa if block natin. So, from here, sa ating last cursor, star na may space. Tapos, ating cursor. Since sa pag-output na tayo ulit, pag-output na, mag-modify uli yung current value ng ating call. Sabihin, madagdagan ng isa. 5 plus 1, 6. Condition. Yung bang so may condition ulit. Kung yung bang call is less than or equal to 5, kung yung bang 6 is less than or equal to 5, which is false kasi hindi na siya less than or equal man. So, tigil na yung loop natin. Since may console.write line sa baba nito, pagkatapos ng loop, magpa-function muna itong console.write line na ito. Isabihin, nandito siya. Yan, sa cursor na yan. Tapos, back to outer loop ulit tayo. So, since wala nang dito, wala nang error sa loob nito, wala nang error sa loob ng ating outer loop, di mag-modify uli yung mag-modify na yung current value ng ating row. Sabihin may increment ng 1, isabihin 5. So, yan. So, we have a condition here. Yung bang row na ang value ay 5 is less than or equal sa back size, which is also 5. So, true yan kasi equal yung 5 sa kaya 5 is equal. Malamang. So, pasok ulit tayo sa inner loop. Since lumabas tayo kanina, sabihin marireset ulit ito, yung value ng inner loop. Balik ulit siya sa 1. Lagi siyang nare-reset kada lalabas. So, we have a condition here. Call which is 1 is less than ba siya or equals to box size, which is true kasi yung 1 is less than sa 5. So, back to condition ulit. Since since may condition dito tayo, mag-check ulit tayo ng condition. Yung bang row is equals to 1, false. Yung bang call is equals to 1, which is true kasi pares lang sila ng value, pares silang 1. So true na ang evaluation nito. So magra-run ulit itong ating star na may space. So ito yung last cursor natin. Ito pala yung console.writeline. Isabihin yung ating next output is nasa baba. So yan, star na may space. So as you can see, di ba kada list mo modify yan, sabihin itong nasa loob is mauulit siya ng 5 beses. Since sorry for the error. This is okay, tama to, pero meron pa tayong isa dito true condition, which is yung row. Kasi yung row is equals to 5 and the box size is also 5, so isabihin 5 is equals 5, true. So kinlarify ko lang na meron pa tayong ditong nag-true na, no? Pero it doesn't matter rin naman kasi true din to, so true pa rin yung evaluation yan. So yan. And since this 5, as you can see, 5 beses magra-run tong loop na to, isabihin since hindi naman nagbabago to, yung row natin is laging equal sa 5, ibig sabihin 5 beses magra-run na tong star na may space. So hindi naman nagbabago na to since hindi pa tayo lumalabas. Isabihin yung 5, isabihin ito lagi masasatisfy to ng 5 beses. Isabihin magra-run to ng 5 beses tong code block na to, yung star na may space. Isabihin yan, magra-run yan hanggang modify, star na may space, modify. Ito yung kanina may 3, tapos output ulit ng star na may space, tapos modify 4, ibang 4 is less than or equal to box size, which is true. Modify ulit, output ulit kasi laging true to lagi ito magtutrue kasi may condition tayo dito na kung yung bang row is equals to box size, parang pinararating ba yung 5 is equals to 5, so true lagi yan. So true na yan. So tapos modify ulit 6, ito pala, so may dagdagan ulit ng 1, so 5 is then ba siya or equal to 5, true. Pasok ulit sa condition, tapos masasatisfy ulit ito, matutrue yan So sabihin evaluation yan, true, mag-run ulit itong code block na to, itong console.write star na may space, and modify ulit, magiging 6 na to since napag-output tayo. So yung bang 6 less than ba siya or equal to 5, which is false. So since false na, di wala na, stop na ang loop. So since may tayo dito, console.writeline, so mag-run muna to. So nandito yan, katabi ng ito, dito, katabi ng space. So since natapos na ito nasa loob, yung command nasa loob ng outer loop is mag-modify na yung current value ng row, which is 6. So magiging 5 plus 1 is 6. Tapos since lumabas na tayo, marireset ulit yung value ng inner loop natin. Magiging 1 ulit siya. So, paktan din tayo dito. So, yung row natin is naka-initialize na siya sa 6. So, naka-initialize siya sa 6. So, condition, yung bang row is less than or equals to box size. Yung bang 6 less than or equal to 5, which is false. So, end na yung program. Hindi na mag-aaran tong nasa loob na to. It doesn't matter kung true man yan. Since nag-false na tayo dito, stop na. So, yan. So, let's check lang kung yung same ba silang output. Same gawin na pinaliwanag natin. Kung ganito ba yung output kapag yung size na enter ng user is 5. So, let's check. So, yan. As you can see. So, yun lang po. Thank you po sa... So, yun lang po. Thank you po.